Namaste to all. I am Dr. Raghupati Pantulu, Professor Ayurveda Medicine and Panchakarma Specialist. I am happy to see you all in this group. So I am also thankful to my friend Dr. Venkatnarayan Joshi, who has introduced me into this group. So we are going to have a few words about our future coming programs, especially about Dr. Polishetty Ravishankar Garu, who has been center of our talk. And on the 3rd July, 8 p.m., we are going to have a meeting of our group where we are going to listen Dr. Polishetty Ravishankar Garu on some issues of Ayurveda, and many more are going to come in future from him. So, regarding my association with Dr. Polishetty Ravishankar Garu, so I have been associated with him for the past few months, and we both made a journey into Ayurveda and especially into Panchakarma, and has been discussing also on many issues in Kaya Chikitsa and Panchakarma also on many cases. So, a wonderful personality, Dr. Polishetty Ravishankar Garu. You have already listened him in the past lecture, and I have seen in some videos shared by Dr. V.N. Joshi Garu regarding Dr. Polishetty Ravishankar Garu being a person coming from allopathy background and a good cardiologist, cardiac surgeon, and performed many cardiac surgeries at various centers in India and abroad, and has been popular among the medical circles, both in Ayurveda and allopathy medical sciences in India and world over, and has been inventor of a wonderful instrument by Dr. Wally that shows the scientist in Dr. Ravishankar Garu. So, he's multiple personalities in Ayurveda and in allopathy, both, that is modern medical science. I have seen him representing many aspects of in-depth concepts of Ayurveda, and I have seen a scientist in him, and as a scientific work he has done in modern medical science, having published so many papers in 18 years of his work in Ayurveda, representing on many dioceses and giving guest lectures, a number of lectures on various topics of Ayurveda and modern medical science. Many research works he has done. So, a versatile doctor I have seen belonging to both systems of medicine. It is a rare combination we have ever seen in Ayurveda or in allopathy medical science. So, as a person belonging to Ayurvedic science, I have seen there's such a rare person available in present times that he has gone through the very deep into the Sanskrit texts and Sanskrit language, Vyakarana, that is grammar. He has mastered the Nava Vyakarana, 9 Vyakaranas like Panini Ashtadhyayi, and mastered in the Sanskrit language, could able to read the intricate and difficult aspects of Ayurveda Samhitas, Sloka, and Vedas, Vedanga, Brahmanas, Upanishads, and Darshanas, like the Tarka and Mimamsa, so many ancient or Indian scriptures, along with Ayurveda texts like Ayurveda, Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, and Vagbhata Samhita. Along with that, so many medicinal books like Bhaishya Ratnavali, Rasendra Sara Sangraha, and other books related with the materia medica, that is belonging to the plants and the minerals. So vast knowledge he has gone through and imbibed so many intricate knowledge of Ayurveda, and thoroughly read the subject to that. This I could able to pursue when we were having discussion, the deep discussions he goes thoroughly into the Charaka and Sushruta aspects of concepts of Ayurveda, and sometimes he touches the Chakrapani versions and Acharya Dalhana and Acharya Arunadatta. These are the commentators of Ayurvedic Samhitas. And the greatest thing I have seen that he has mastered the Nadi Pariksha, the Ashtasthana Pariksha, Nadi, Malamutra, Jiva, Shabda, Drigakriti. These are the Ashtasthana Parikshas propounded by Mahasi Sushruta. So, Dr. Polishetty Ravishankar Garu has mastered the Nadi Pariksha, and he could see what is happening in 7 tissues of the body, and he could measure the Tridoshas, how they are causing the imbalance in the body just by seeing the Nadi. That is amazing thing and wonderful is insight into the patient's body, and coming out with the diagnosis what has happened, and how nicely he balances the doshas and dhatus by administering proper medications. The medicines also prepared by himself, by his own methodology and his own technique and his own intuition. He has prepared the great medicines which are now proved and giving great results to the patients. And without giving any trouble to the patient, he is bringing up them. Since I belong to Panchakarma specialty and I headed the Panchakarma department for so many years and worked in Panchakarma, and a wonderful revelation I found from Dr. Ravi Shankar is that regarding Shodhana aspect, it is somewhat troubling the patient, and sometimes we face the complications also. So this happens, though patient gets relieved by through the elimination of the diseases, but Ravi Shankar has came out with a pattern of cleansing the body. At the same time, he is doing the suppressive treatment. That is Shamana and Shodhana Chikitsas simultaneously is doing. It is a really a greatest thing ever invented by anybody in Ayurveda medical science. I have not seen such a new thing has come up in the form of Dr. Polishetty Ravi Shankar Garu's technique of elimination and at the same time doing the Shamana, that is suppression of the dosha, and balancing them without giving any trouble to the patient, and applying proper Pathya, Apathya, Ahara, Vihara, Kalpana, and advices to the patient. And he clubs with yoga and pranayama also appropriately whenever patient requires it. And gradually patient is makes a journey towards cure. That how I observed, and many diseases like cancers or psoriasis, which are not being cured in modern medical science, are just left over triple vessel disease in cardiac conditions. Sometimes he claims that heart can be regenerated and atrophied brain or brain can be regenerated. A regenerative aspect also he has brought out, though it needs still further. We may see or listen to him on these aspects. So amazing results he got through the clubbing both Ayurveda and modern medical science. This is the rarest combination I have seen in Dr. Polishetty Ravi Shankar Garu. It is a great opportunity for us to be associated with him in this group, and we are going to listen and share many aspects of Ayurveda at the same time and modern medical science. So many aspects we can listen from him, and apart from this, he is a great patriot. He is working for the cause of the mankind, especially for this Indian subcontinent and for Indian people. Apart from this, he is a yogi and doing a penance and doing so much of spiritual work. And I have seen a great philosopher in him and went through many scriptures. And greatest thing, another thing I observed him is so much attached and close associate with Baba, Puttaparthi Sai Baba Garu, and many gurus. He is blessed with the blessings of many gurus. In that way, we are going to see a great philosopher and a doctor and Ayurveda Acharya and a teacher, and the future is depending on him. He is going to contribute so many things and giving. Is going to give us a polyscientific Ayurveda, a PSA, a new innovative course. Many courses would come in many aspects of Ayurveda fields and in modern medical scientific field. And this is a really great thing, integrating both medical systems, and practically he has done it. And it is the system which he has invented, the PSA, is really practicable. He came nearer to the Charaka concept. Charaka says, Dhatu Samyam Kriya Chokta Tantrasyasya Prayojanam. In one sentence, Acharya has narrated that Dhatu Samyam is the only Kriya that what Ayurveda Vaidya has to do by bringing Tridoshas into balance and the Saptadhatus into balance, thereby achieving the health. That is what is the purpose of Ayurveda. That is what Dr. Ravi Shankar Garu is now perfectly and proving. That's what we are going to see. So, expecting all of you to present compulsory on 3rd July, 8 p.m. without fail. Thank you.